Hi everyone, this is Dr. R. Alarmelu Mangai, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So, in this video, we are going to discuss applications of cloud computing under cloud technology fundamentals. So, now coming to the applications of cloud computing. Uh, you have so many service models under this cloud that we have discussed in the last video. So coming to the applications, this has been revolutionized businesses and individuals stores and manages and processes the data. Whatever you are storing in that, you can store, that is, you can manage your data and you can process your data, and also you can reduce the cost by storing it in your public area. Okay, and then you can access it anywhere where you are going. Okay, then comes to the cloud storage solutions. You have three types under, or three things under cloud storage solutions. One is scalable data storage, then data backup and recovery, and cost efficiency. What do you mean by scalable data storage? It is nothing but it is a flexible solution to adjust your storage needs without physical hardware. So, without your physical hardware, you can store your data. Example for that is your Google Photos. No, you don't have any storage area under your mobile. You can save it in your cloud. That is one of the example for your data storage. And data backup and recovery, so automatic backups for data safety and quick recovery options. So when you get into this Google Photos, it will ask for the backup. So only when you give the option for backup, you can go for that backup. So even if your data is destroyed in your mobile storage, you can retrieve from your Google. Then next one is cost efficiency, and pay as you go model lowers IT expenses compared to the traditional solution. So when you are storing it in your Google Photos, are you paying anything? No. So compared to the other things, it is cost efficient. Okay, then software as a service. So we all know software as a service, that is, they will be providing you the software to work with, and there is no need to download and install your software. So coming here, accessible applications. Software as a service allows users to access the software applications via internet, eliminating the need for installation and providing updates automatically. So when you are going for the downloads and if you are installing it, you have to pay for that when it is a paid version. And also you have to update as the version increases. But coming to the software as a service, you can use as it is, no need for your updations and all. Okay, then coming to the collaborative tools. So tools like Google Workspace and Microsoft 365 enhance teamwork by allowing real-time collaboration and communication regardless of the location. So when you are using your Google Workspace, you can use any types of the tools provided by the Google. Then subscription model. So based on the subscriptions, you can use your applications or your softwares. Okay, so it is better than installing it in your device and then accessing. Okay, then infrastructure as a service. So what do you mean by an infrastructure? When you need to do something, you need the proper infrastructure. So when you see your colleges, what is the infrastructure? What you will see when you are getting into your admission, you will see whether the classrooms are properly arranged, like you have your desks and benches, and you have got your lab facilities and your library services and transport facilities. All these come under the infrastructure, so basic needs. So coming here, infrastructure as a service. First one is virtualized computing resources. So this provides computer resources over the internet. Whatever you need for your business, you can extract from your Google, that is your cloud. Then next is rapid deployment. So when you are working in this cloud, deployment will be very much simple and easy, and it reduces the time. Then comes easy management. So managing your tools and data and monitoring and maintenance, everything will be easy when you are doing it under cloud, and this is called as what? Your infrastructure as a service. Next one, platform as a service. So this we have discussed already. Three types of services we have. One is infrastructure as a service, and then platform as a service, and then comes the software as a service. So coming here, platform as a service, this development frameworks provides developers with a platform to build, test and deploy applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. So it will give you the platform to run your application, to build your application. An integrated development platform. So if you have so many tools to work with, this cloud will provide you the tools whatever you need to do your application and also to run your application. And coming to this collaboration, third party tools also you can use under this cloud. So this is your platform as a service. Then comes the cloud computing in big data. What do you mean by a big data? When you are processing a large amount of data, you call that large amount of data as big data. That data you could not save it in your systems, individual systems. So you are going for this cloud. So what happens here? Data processing power. So power of processing the data will be more. And then real time data analysis. So when you are going for NLP and all, you will be using this real time data analysis. So you will be extracting large amount of data for your business. So that can be done on real time using this cloud. And next one is scalable analytics solution. You can even expand your capacities without significant uh, upfront investments. So what happens here is that using when you are using the big data, you can use the cloud computing, which will be more useful for you. So next one is cloud security and compliance. Here you have got three things. First one is enhanced security measures. So when you are giving your data in public, what happens? The security should be strong. So for that you have got advanced security protocols and encryption methods. Next comes the regulatory compliance. So you have to follow some of the rules and regulations that will be followed over here. Next comes the disaster recovery solutions. So when supposing if you are losing any data, you have got this disaster management or recovery solutions where you can retrieve your data. Then next one is your future trends. So here in cloud computing, we are integrating AI into the cloud computing and edge computing and multi-cloud strategies. So these are the future trends in cloud computing. So in the assignment part, you have to learn about what are the applications under cloud computing. Okay, and for your reference, you can use this cloud computing link in the Google. And next one is this next video what we are going to learn is the infrastructure as a service. Okay, thank you.